Hello everybody, so I am off to the States in a couple of days. I'm going for 5 weeks. If you saw my previous video, you'll know the whole reason about why I'm going. It's like a big pivotal turning point in my life. I've always wanted to do something like this and I'm finally doing it. I've got a big old suitcase right here. I actually borrowed this from my grandparents. This is my granddad's suitcase, but it's massive. I've never had a suitcase this big, so it should be good enough. So, clothing. I am taking 4 t-shirts. I don't think I'll go into too much detail about what they look like. But anyway, I've got my Bratz one, I've got my Union Jack one, representing Cowboy, Playboy one, and my Dolly Parton one. And then I've got 4 kind of little tank tops that I can also wear to bed. So I've just got black, grey, and then a purple crop top and my little cheetah print halter neck. I've got this long sleeve kind of weird top, but I just kind of like it. It's purple. I think it's like a surfing top. I don't know. 2 kind of large tops that can also be worn as sleepwear. I'm not packing any pajamas because I'm trying to like minimize as much as possible because I do want to bring some things back as well. So I've got a really big long sleeve yellow top, and then this is my favorite t-shirt ever. I got it in a charity shop. It says Kathmandu, Nepal, and it just has this gorgeous stitching of these mountains. Oh, it's just my favorite t-shirt of all time. I take it with me everywhere and it's so soft. Although it's November, it's not actually too cold where I'm going. It's kind of like sweater weather. Like you can wear a pair of shorts one day, you might need to wear like a jumper the next. So it's gonna be kind of mild. So I've bought a mixture of clothing. I've got a long sleeve turtleneck black crop top, which I just bought from a charity shop. It's so cute for the colder days. And then I've got some kind of more nicer tops if I'm like going out or just want to look a bit nicer. So I've got a little leopard print, a little sparkly black tank top, and I've got like this nice silky green shirt, like a blouse, which looks really nice, like tied up. Oh, and I've got this little Bratz mesh long sleeve top, which I sometimes like to wear underneath t-shirts. Again, representing Bratz everywhere I go. All my life. Just a normal grey cardigan, which looks good over anything and everything. Very versatile, we love that. Of course, I've got a giant plaid shirt. This is a Levi's one. It's like my favourite one I've ever bought. I bought this secondhand for £5. It's amazing. I've got one like big jumper that I'm gonna bring, and it's kind of like this, just a big chunky thick one. It's very like wintry. If it's like cold and I just want to snuggle in something, this is gonna be the one that I wear. Again, this was also secondhand. Most of my clothes are secondhand, either bought online or in charity shops, if you're wondering. So I think that's kind of all my tops, aside from the thing that I'm going to be wearing on the day. And then I'm bringing 1 pair of like charcoal grey leggings, 1 pair of nude skinny jeans with this cool kind of like tie-up thing. They look really sexy, but they're also just kind of versatile. That's actually it for trousers. I might pack another pair of jeans, I'm not sure, but I've got 2 pairs of trackies. So I've got 1 bright pink Converse pair, and then I've got just a plain grey pair, which, oh yeah, this is my little travel outfit. I've got grey trackies and like a little kind of natural coloured long sleeve top that's super comfy. So I want to be as comfy as possible on the flight because it's going to be a long journey. So that's my travel outfit. I'm going to be doing a fair bit of activities. I'll probably be spending a lot of time outdoors, so I'll be getting kind of dirty and stuff. So I didn't want to bring too many nice clothes. I've got 2 pairs of shorts, my cut off like kind of longer ones, which are really nice, and then I've got a shorter pair which are a little bit cheeky, but I just thought in case one pair gets dirty or whatever. And they're also kind of more cool and beachy. And then I'm taking 1 mini skirt for if I go out. I do love a mini skirt. Yeah, I think I might need to bring 1 more pair of jeans, but I'm not sure. I'm bringing 1 little pair of workout shorts because I kind of like to wear these just like as loungewear sometimes, or just as a daily outfit. And I am bringing a couple of resistance bands because I've been going to the gym really consistently and I've been really proud of my progress that I've made on my whole body really, and I don't want to lose it. I'm going to try as best I can, if I get any time at all, to do some exercises or where I can. So I'm bringing some resistance bands, just a light one and a heavy one, which I do different things on. This is my knee support because my knee has been playing up a little bit recently. I'm bringing 2 hats. Might be a bit excessive, but I am a hat girl. I wear hats most days, especially if it's sunny. I like to protect my face. I'm usually having bad hair days, so I've got a black one and a nude one. I wanted to bring my red one, but it kind of looks like a Trump hat, and I don't want to make anyone angry. I don't know what, in the place where I'm going, I don't know what their political views are, but I don't want to offend anyone because that hat looks like a Trump hat. So I've got 10 pairs of underwear. So that's one for every day of the week and then some extra just in case. I've got a pair of thick socks, 7 pairs of like white socks, and just some like longer ones. I like socks. I wear them every day. I'm bringing 1 towel, 1 swimming suit. This is just a little bikini. It's not too skimpy, like it keeps me quite secure, so I feel good in it. And it's like 90s themed, it's like a high rise. I'm taking 1 little mini bag if I go out and about and I want to look like snazzy. 1 pair of tights, just in case. And then I'm taking 2 of these kind of like bralettes. They're super comfortable and lightweight. And then I'm taking 1 padded bra, which I'm wearing currently. As I'll be spending a lot of time outdoors, I am going to be taking my Timberlands, although I'm not sure because they're slightly too small, so they kind of rub on my toes, and I want to be comfortable, but I really like them, so I might bring them anyway. And then I've got 2 pairs of trainers, which I think I should probably only just bring 1. I've got my Reeboks, which is super dirty, and these I wouldn't mind like getting trashed. And then I've got my Converse, which I kind of like these, so I wouldn't want to get these too trashed. But I don't know, which ones should I bring? Which ones would you bring? Reeboks or Converse? So I don't know, I'll probably end up bringing both of them. And then I might bring these like crappy fake Uggs just as like slippers, because these are actually my house shoes. Like I wear these around the house, they're like basically slippers. So I might just fold them up and squish them. They were super cheap, so it doesn't matter. And like put them in my bag, because then I'll have something to wear like around indoors. And ooh, gross. And I'm bringing 1 coat. It's just my black coat. It's got a hood. It's super warm, comfy, versatile, goes with everything. So even though I probably won't need it a lot, like it's gonna be cold on the way there and on the way back in England, so. And sometimes it rains where I'm going, so I might need it, but I'll wear that on the way there. I am bringing a hair tool. I don't really tend to style my hair every day, but my hair is so difficult to get it to look like this. Like I straightened it yesterday and then I put it in a silk scarf today, so even just to get it to look like kind of normal takes so much effort. But yeah, my hairdryer and round brush is really heavy. So this is just another way to dry my hair in case there's not like a hairdryer. I can't just blow dry my hair, like no. My hair is so difficult, like it has to have one of those attachments and a round brush, and I have to spend half an hour like literally trying to make it not poofy. So I'm taking this. I know it seems like kind of cumbersome, but I have hair needs. And along with that, I'm still not sure whether to bring these, but I was going to bring some rollers, because if I just want to give a little bit more volume to my hair, rollers help a lot. So I'm only taking this many and they're just small. So in terms of other hair stuff, I'm bringing a shampoo and conditioner. This is really expensive, and it's my color protecting one, but I don't really want to use it the whole time I'm there. So I have packed some more, but I've put them in these little tiny things. I've got like a sulfate-free shampoo if I want to go sulfate-free. I've got one with sulfate in it if my hair's really dirty, and I've got like a normal conditioner as well, and a natural conditioner, because my hair, let's just not go there. I'm putting those all in a plastic bag because I have a feeling they'll leak everywhere. I'm also taking a face wash, sunscreen, very important. I am taking some fake tan. Yeah, sometimes I like to be tanned, especially if I'm wearing shorts and like little tops and stuff. I'm totally okay with my skin color, but sometimes I just want to be tanned, so I am bringing tan. And with that, I am also bringing tan remover. Don't know if I'll bring this though. It seems like a big thing to bring for just removing some tan, when realistically I could just scrub it off. So I don't know if I'll bring this. I'm bringing 1 little bar of soap as like a body wash. This is my deodorant, natural deodorant. Yeah, I've got this little bag of all my skincare and little like beauty things. So razor, day cream, night cream, facial sunscreen / pollution protection. Another, I probably don't need both of these deodorants. This is my crystal one. I'll probably just bring this one. Tweezers, lip balm, my natural birth control device, which I'm gonna be switching over to whilst I'm in America. I might make a video more about it, but basically when you switch over to natural birth control, it takes like sometimes like a month or two for it to be able to give you accurate results about if it's safe to have sex or not. What better time to start using it than when I'm going away for 5 weeks? I won't be having sex, so it's absolutely fine. Got this little thing that I like to put my freckles on. I got a shower cap. I've got a menstrual cup, which I haven't used yet. This is the Organi cup, but just in case I don't get on with it, I am going to bring just a couple of pads, a couple of tampons, just in case I don't get on with it. I can always buy more if I don't like it. And then I've got this little, I don't know whether I should bring this or not, but it's just a little hair remover for traveling. And since I'm going to be like spending a lot of time with horses, I might need to use this. This holds all of my makeup, so it's just all my basics, my makeup basics, and I've just got one very neutral eyeshadow palette, and I've got all of my brushes in there, so just keeping it simple. I'm bringing one fragrance. I don't even know if I'll bring this. It's very cheap, but I kind of like it. It's like a Chloe dupe. I really like the Chloe perfume, but it takes up quite a lot of room, so I don't know if I'll bring that. I need one of those little perfume decanters. I am bringing my hairbrush. One hairbrush. I do have some heat protectant. It's like a no-cut hair cream. When I dry my hair, I can be protecting it. I'm bringing a silk scarf for if I want to straighten my hair naturally. Also a silk bonnet just for protecting my hair at night. I know it sounds like I'm like being crazy, but my hair just needs it. And then I've got a couple of scrunchies, again, for nighttime. I've got a little bag full of hairpins, clips, hair bands. One of these helps for when I'm like styling my hair. So that's my little hair bag in there. Oh, and a little travel size bottle of dry shampoo. Oh, and a little claspy clasp for my hair. This is my little dental bag. So I'm bringing my electric toothbrush. It's got like a new little headpiece to it. Toothpaste. And then this is all just dental care for my braces. So I've got some wax. I've got these little things that you use to like floss and get in between your braces. And this little extra kind of detailed toothbrush for cleaning between my braces. So I just got my braces tightened yesterday, so they're kind of painful, but I needed to get them tightened before I left. So that's my little dental bag. And now what jewelry? So I'm of course taking my Tiffany heart toggle necklace and bracelet. I wasn't sure about bringing these because they're expensive and like I don't really want to lose them, but I genuinely wear them every day. Like it's me. So I'm bringing them. And then I'm bringing a few little rings and like one other little necklace and another pair of little hoop earrings. I'm not bringing any of my very precious jewelry that my grandma gave me, so I just don't want to risk losing them. I have lost one before, sadly. And then I'm also bringing another pair of big hoe hoops for if I go out on the town. I'm bringing some little beaded bracelets, which I like wearing, and one watch. And I've also got a nail file, of course. I've cut my nails down super short. I don't want to be like stressing out about my nails, you know what I mean? Like if I break a nail or something, I don't want to be stressing out over it. I want to be able to like grab things and do things in the dirt and stuff and just not be worried. So I've cut off all my nails and I won't be wearing like nail polish or anything because it will just chip off. And I am bringing my own pair of rubber gloves because I can't wash up unless I've got gloves on. I'm just very weird. So that is all pretty much it. Now I'm going to move on to tech stuff. I am bringing like a couple of cameras and tech stuff because I want to be like filming whilst I'm there and also editing. So I'm bringing just two little tripods. I might just bring one, but one is like for my phone and the other one I can put my vlogging camera or my GoPro on. It's just easier than having to like switch the heads all the time, but we'll see. And I'm not bringing like a big tripod or my big camera. I'm just bringing my little cameras. And then this little case has all my GoPro stuff in it. So I'm bringing my GoPro. I've got some GoPro accessories, charger, batteries, stuff like that. And then I am bringing my little vlogging camera. I didn't set it down with me, but it's in my room, and my vlogging camera charger, a portable speaker, although I'm not sure if I'll bring this, but so then I've got my big old laptop, which is quite heavy. but I'm going to be carrying this with me on the plane, and I've got a little case for it. Some of you might remember my Snapchat. No, was it on Snapchat or on Instagram? Anyway, I made a story like a year and a half ago. Somebody took my laptop at the airport thinking it was theirs, and I never got it back until I had to basically go to where I was going without my laptop because they didn't get it back off the guy in time, but I did get it eventually. And then I've got the charger for that. And then I'm taking, this is just my like bag that I'll be taking with me on the plane. This is just one rucksack that will be just my daily rucksack, I guess. I'll be bringing my water bottle, but obviously it'll be empty and like in my case because you can't bring water through. And in here I have got my journal, because I like to journal. I've got a couple of pens, some hand sanitizer lotion, which I'm gonna have to put in one of them plastic bags to go through. I think, oh, this might be too much. Oh no, it's not, it's 80 mils. I've got my passport, very important, very, very, very important. And then there's just this little like cool little bag, which I bought years ago, which is like a little bag divider, which you put in your bag. And it's got like literally so many pockets and compartments. It's just perfect for traveling. I'm gonna have to like dig around in here, but basically we've got, in here, I've got my earbuds for listening to music. These are actually earplugs, they're called earpiece, just in case I need to get to some sleep somewhere where it's loud or noisy. They're really good. I actually bought them when I was going like festivals and gigs and clubs a lot, and obviously it'll be really, really loud. So you can like stand right by the speakers with earplugs. I just bought this yesterday. This is a little portable charger. Is that what it's called? Charging pack. It's really cute. It's like rose gold. Has 3 charges within it, and I've got my computer glasses for editing, 1 hard drive, I've got 1 charger. I don't have like a plug adapter, so I'm gonna have to buy one at the airport. I will obviously be bringing a mask, but yeah, I'm also bringing just this in case. Yeah, I'm just bringing this little like scarf thing. I can wear it as like a headband, as a headscarf, or just like if I don't have my mask on me. And then of course my phone, and I think that is actually everything aside from this, which helps protect your head when you're on the plane. Because it's a long journey, like I might need to just sleep, so I'm gonna like sleep on this. I don't know if I'll end up really using it, but it's a long journey. I don't think I've ever been on a plane that long before. It's gonna be like 14 hours, so I might be very thankful that I brought this. Feel like I must have forgotten something, but honestly, that's everything. I've already tried fitting it all in my suitcase. It all fits perfectly, and there's still like a bit of room for souvenirs and things if I want to bring things back. And I've still got like a ton of room in here. I'll probably bring some snacks to have like on the way. Obviously can't bring them through. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's everything I am taking with me to America. I'm super, super excited. I'm going in a couple of days. It might take me a little while to get any videos up because I'm going to be very sort of busy. I don't know how much time I'll have to edit things together, but I am going to be taking lots of footage. Yeah, I really want to make as many videos as I can without it kind of taking over the trip. The purpose of the trip is to get away from like the internet and like all that kind of stuff. So I don't want to be obsessing too much about filming and editing, and I just want to be more present and enjoying myself. So I might have to wait until I've come back before I upload a lot of the content, but yes, we'll see. Or you could follow my Instagram where I'll be posting little daily snippets. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.